Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 SKODA Yeti. So from any screen, you've got phone there. If you go onto phone, you'll see settings. And so long as nothing's connected at the moment, my phone is disconnected and there's no other phones connected in the car, you'll see this screen. So settings, click settings, select telephone or Bluetooth, onto Bluetooth. Now from here you've got Bluetooth visibility, hidden name, SKODA BT, paired devices. You want paired devices. And as you can see here, Richard's phone will delete that. Do you really want to delete Richard's phone? Delete. And Barry's phone, again, you just touch the bin symbol and delete. That's it, simple as that. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 SKODA Yeti. So first of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom here. Over to the system, we'll click phone. Please find SKODA BT 4690 on the mobile phone, and it's come up there. I'll just move my finger out of the way. So I'll click SKODA BT 4690, Bluetooth pairing request, pair. Barry's iPhone 12 Pro would like to connect. Does the passkey match? Yes, it does. Forgotten what it was now, but I'm sure it does. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. And there we go, it's connected. Great thing with this system, it's got good speakers in the vehicle. So if we go over to music, I'll just turn this down. You see the silver triangle at the bottom and there's silver circles. If you click on that, you see iPhone and SKODA. If there's no tick next to SKODA, just press it, tick appears. Back to the record, we'll click play. We go over here to media. If I click on media, at the moment it's on auxiliary. So what I have to do, if I click media again, it just skips through. And that's the record we want. I'll turn that up. And then up here. There you go. The score. Brilliant record. I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2017 SKODA Yeti. So any screen, we'll click on nav. That's the screen. Now watch at the bottom. At the bottom you'll see that. There you go, it's gone. The menu's gone. So you're just faced with this. But if you put your hand towards it, the menu comes up and you see there, new destination, my destinations, point of interest, view, media, settings. So we want new destinations. Now this screen's come up and to be honest, to me that gives me a panic attack. There's just too much stuff there. But it's already got a destination, and you see there, enter destination or search. So you're clicking away there, it does nothing. But see these three bars and the dots there, if I click on that, it gives you the choice, search, address or on map. We want address, that's a lot easier. So here we go, country, city. Now the other thing is, they seem to try as hard as possible to cut you up. PTCD, there's a space bar that takes up well over half the screen. There's OK there, which, you know, that takes up a massive amount. Then you've got PTCD dot, postcode abbreviated. I'm sure they could actually put a switch on there, a button or to press that says postcode, so you knew what you were doing. But anyway, so you click postcode. Now enter postcode. We want the ABCs first. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton. And so that's PR. We now need numbers, so we've got to click 1, 2, 3 here. PR5, 4. We need to go back to ABCs. A. E. Or is it EA? No, it's EA. We're actually EA. But anyway, pretend we're at AE for the moment. So that shows up. We click on that. You've clicked on it. You've put the postcode in. You've clicked on it. That's still not good enough for the stat nav. You now have to click start.
The routes are being calculated. Please select a route.
That's it. Way more complicated than it needs be, but that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.